how to translate a video, whether it's a YouTube video or a video you have locally on your phone or computer, for YouTubers, TikTokers, Instagrammers, for everyone easily with artificial intelligence. That's what we're going to see together in this video. We'll be quick, we won't beat around the bush. Go straight to VoiceCheap.ai. I'll put the link in the description, it will be the first link. So VoiceCheap.ai, click on try for free, create an account, it's free, no need for a credit card at the beginning. You can create an account and test the tool for free, no need for a credit card. Next, you're here, so you copy the link of your YouTube video here, or you upload your file like in YouTube Studio for YouTubers. So you take your video and bam, you bring your video here. It includes videos up to 20 gigs. So even the YouTubers who make big 4K videos export First Pro, 80 megabits per second. You can upload your videos, no problem at all. After, if your videos are over 20 gigs, contact the chat there, and it's possible to make small exceptions. But so, in any case, it depends on the subscriptions, but it can go up to 20 gigabytes for now. Then you upload your video. So it takes a few minutes depending on your connection, or you make the YouTube link. What's interesting with the YouTube link, everything will happen on servers. So your computer, powerful or not, whether your connection is average, excellent, it won't change a thing. It'll be quick. So we upload the YouTube video, and right after selecting the language, we end up here. So you'll find yourself more precisely here. Left, we have blocks of French text. So now we'll translate a video of Baki who tells a little anecdote about a fight. So on the left we have the paragraphs in French, the original language, the native language. Right? We have the blocks that are of course associated. It's the translation of the left block there, text in French. And here is the same text translated into the target language, in this case English. We'll add other languages later to compare and show you the list of languages available on VoiceCheap. So here you are, you can review your text or not. Honestly, it works very well. There can be a few mistakes sometimes, but 90% of the time it works very, very well, the translation. So that's a very good point. Here is your language. I translated it to English. Here's what we'll do. Just before looking at the final result, which is right here, I just click result, and now I hit play, and you'll listen to the result with me and tell me what you think in the comments. Let's add a language. Like this, it will allow me to show you some features. So, how to add one or more languages once your video is translated and you are satisfied with the result. Why not translate it into several languages? If you're a content creator, to create many YouTube channels, a good YouTube channel in your native language, and then you will create a whole network of YouTube channels around your channel in all languages to have an international audience. Extremely powerful. It's already a strategy I've implemented that's starting to work well without being extraordinary. Then, in comparison to my channel in my native language, which is Raftor, it's working pretty well. Well, it's not extraordinary, but regarding my channel in French, it's doing quite well, so it's very interesting. It depends on your topic and your niche, of course. For example, if you cover politics or French news, translating it internationally might work. I'm not saying it won't, but you see, it's still targeted at a country and therefore a language. But hey, anything is possible, why not try? Especially for maybe extreme news. Perhaps the whole world is interested in France, I don't know. So, how to add a language? You click on the three little dots, then add a new language, select your language. There you go. You look at all the languages you have. I'll let you read a bit. All right, let's put it in Turkish, and all right. So you see I've started. Everything happens on the servers. It takes a few seconds. Bam. We already have the translation. And then we send, bam, next step. And it will translate the video. And we will have the final result in a few seconds. Some interesting little features right here in the little wheel. You have several options. It's very simple, but it allows you to customize your videos and make them as closely as possible resemble your original video or not. By the way, you can start with an average original video and improve it using VoiceCheap.ai, especially with this feature that I will present to you in a few seconds. So here, you can keep or not the background, meaning the music and background noises. No means there will only be the voice. Yes means there will be the new translated voice and the background sound. Activate or not the subtitles. These are basic subtitles, but it can be interesting. You click on yes, and you will have subtitles. The Smart Sync, I advise you not to touch it. Basically, it allows you to slightly reduce the duration of the pronunciation of the sentences or to lengthen it in order to have an optimal rhythm and not too much slowing down or speeding up in the final video. Here you have voices that are 5 times cheaper, a bit more robotic, a bit less natural, but 5 times cheaper. So very interesting for translating entire YouTube channels or documentaries for your personal use. YouTube channels or translating documentaries for your personal consumption. For example, custom voice. You can record a highly qualitative customized voice and have an ultra high quality result at your fingertips, permanently on, all year round. A voice that is smooth quality, that remains stable over time, and not have a voice that can vary depending on the videos. For example, it can be very interesting as a feature. So in terms of results, we'll first watch the video in English and let me know in the comments what you think about it. Then, of course, you can download the audio, download the video, copy the video link. That's very interesting. You copy the video link, bam, and then you send it to someone, for example, to your video editor, your friend, your colleagues, and then you have the video in a cloud. It is sent, and someone can download it on the other side of the world in 2 seconds. Super interesting. I'll show you the final result right here, so let's hit play.
In high school, it was the only fight I had in high school actually. I was a senior, our school was both a high school and a college. There were people older than us. We were playing a bit of an interclass soccer game, so we were playing against the guys from the technical school and all, and the referee was a guy from my class. Since he was from my class, every time we committed a foul, he didn't blow the whistle, but every time they did, he did. The referee acted like a jerk, but of course you favor your own class a bit, and the other guy got mad about it. The BTS guy...
So, you may have noticed, for the more observant among you, those with an eye for detail, the lip movements do not match to what is said in the final language, so English here. To address this issue, we have this feature called lip sync. Lip sync, the pixel by pixel adaptation of mouth movements to match the new voices, so the translated voices, to adapt the lip movements to your newly translated video. You click here on Activate Lip Sync. It's in beta. The results are decent today, without being completely extraordinary, to be clear with you. It's not the highest quality thing in the world. Stylish? Perfect? No. Visible. There are small bugs. It can add a bit of beard, a bit of mustache. Sometimes it's light, but it's a detail. Sometimes you can see a bit of blur in the mouth movements. That's clear. Here is the reformulated text. Shows it's not 100% perfect. But there are many improvements. Big ones weekly, progress. So if you look even in 2 or 3 weeks, don't hesitate to test the tool and activate the lip sync on your video to see the result it can give. Again, the link is in the description and you create an account for free. You can test the tool for free on several videos. You can test it completely for free. Don't hesitate, do it. Links in the description. Lip sync then, weekly it grows, so even in 2 or 3 weeks, don't hesitate to try it to see what it's like. You might be really amazed, or for some of you it might just be normal. Then Turkish. Let's see how it turns out in Turkish.
Son sınıftaydım. Bizim okul hem lise hem de üniversite gibiydi. Bizden daha büyük insanlar vardı. Sınıflar arası bir futbol maçı yapıyorduk. Ve BTS'lilerle falan oynuyorduk. Hakem de benim sınıfımdan biriydi. Sınıfımdan biri olduğu için biz faul yaptığımızda düdük çalmıyordu. Ama onlar yaptığında çalıyordu. Hakem pislik yaptı ama tabii ki biraz sınıfını kayırıyor.
I don't speak Turkish, so it's hard to judge the quality of the translation. In any case, from a sound perspective, it sounds very, very good. The rhythm is good, not too slow, not too fast. At least that's what I perceived. Don't hesitate if you speak English perfectly or Turkish to tell me what you think in the comments. By the way, if you are interested in specific features, feel free to ask your questions in the comments, whether you are a YouTuber, TikToker, Instagrammer, whatever you want. Whether you make documentaries, have a translation agency, whether you take entire YouTube channels, whether you create networks of YouTube channels. There are countless possibilities with the world of translation. It's ultra strong. So don't hesitate to create an account. Once again, it's free. And I'll see you very soon in the next video to talk about VoiceCheap. I keep translating my videos. I keep translating. It's something incredibly powerful for breaking out internationally. So don't hesitate even just to try it. Even just sharing this video with your YouTuber friends, with your friends who might be interested in this technology. See you.